Welcome to the first room of the Sapphire Skyline project. Today, we're transforming this bedroom into a luxury sanctuary. Watch as we move through steps 1 to 15, focusing on floor preparation and the initial sapphire base coat. High-speed precision for a high-end result. Let's dive in. Moving outside to the Sapphire Skyline patio. In steps 16 through 30, we are applying weather-resistant epoxy layers to create a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Notice how the sapphire pigments react under natural light. This is how you achieve a $1 million terrace view. Execution mode is on for the Copper Canyon Villa. We're tackling the luxury living room from steps 31 to 45. The goal here is a rich, metallic copper finish that adds warmth and depth to the space. Follow along to see this stunning floor transformation come to life. Stairs are often the most challenging part of a transformation. Continuing with the Copper Canyon Villa, steps 46 to 60 focus on the intricate detail work required for a luxury staircase. Watch the high-speed application that ensures every step is a masterpiece. We've arrived at the Emerald Estate. Today's focus is the master bathroom transformation, covering steps 61 to 75. We are using deep emerald tones to create a spa-like atmosphere. From waterproofing to the final pour, witness the power of luxury epoxy. The heart of the Emerald Estate, the kitchen. In these final steps, 76 through 90, we are completing the high-speed transformation of the kitchen floors. This emerald marble effect is designed for both durability and elegance. The transformation is officially complete. Now that the Emerald Estate is finished, which room was your absolute favorite?